Hello, welcome to today's edition of the Loveswap.com video podcast. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how you can set up a Loveswap token wallet using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is the #1 recommended wallet for storing your Loveswap tokens at the moment, especially if you are using a mobile device. Step 1. To set up the Trust Wallet application to hold your Loveswap tokens. The first step is to visit trustwallet.com. and download the wallet application using the provided app links if you have not already done so. Trust Wallet is available for both Android and iOS devices. It is listed in both the Google Play and Apple App Stores. I will include links to the latest versions of the app below this video for reference. Once downloaded, simply install and set up the application on your device. When initially setting up Trust Wallet on your device, you will be asked to set up a wallet password and to write down a provided wallet seed phrase for backup purposes. It is very important that you don't lose access to this wallet seed phrase because doing so will result in the loss of your wallet's funds if you happen to lose access to your device. We recommend that you write it down and keep it in a safe place stored offline so that you can recover your wallet if need to be in the future. Step 2. Once set up, simply load the Trust Wallet app by clicking on the icon. Once loaded, you should see the main app screen showing a variety of different assets. Okay, the next step is to search for and add the Loveswap DEX token to your Trust Wallet assets list. To do this, simply click on this button within your wallet. Once clicked on, proceed to search for Loveswap DEX within the Add Token search box. Here, it is very important that you type out the full words Loveswap DEX within the search box and click on the BEP20 token version that has this icon, displayed within the search results. There may be other tokens that show up with similar names in the future, so be sure you select the correct one. To add the token to your wallet, simply click on the Selector button beside it. Once again, make sure you select the one with this icon titled Loveswap DEX labeled BEP20. If you add the wrong token here, your coins will not visibly show up within your wallet. Step 3. Next, once you have added the Loveswap token to the wallet, proceed back to the main Trust Wallet Coins page. Locate Loveswap token from your token listing and click on it. Here is your Loveswap wallet, from which you can send and receive coins. To receive coins to this newly set up wallet, click on the Receive button, and then proceed to copy the address provided and send it to the person or entity that wants to send you coins. You can acquire Loveswap tokens by visiting the website Loveswap.com and either buying them, earning them from free airdrops, and/or by referring others to the website. To withdraw your coins from Loveswap.com, you would simply submit this Trust Wallet Loveswap address into the Withdraw Coins form field. With that being said, this concludes this tutorial on the topic of how to set up a Loveswap token wallet via Trust Wallet app. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos coming soon.